What is happening, folks? This is Eli with Tutorials, and today I actually want to introduce you guys to our new series, which is going to be the Hall of Shame in Video Games by Tutorials. And basically, we're going to show you these very bad games that we see online. We try them out, and we'll let you know what you think about it, and if it's entertaining. I mean, some games are entertaining. We might even buy a few of these games as well. So it all depends. We're actually going to kick this off today with Gun Gang, and this is a game that I saw recently on my Instagram, and I saw, it looked kind of interesting. It looked like a fun game that you could play while you're trying to kill some time. So I said, let me try this out, and I was very disappointed. So let me show you the gameplay so that you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm over here using my Google Pixel phone. It's a nice new phone, and I'm thinking to myself, let me get some games that I can play on it, even if they're free. I don't really care. But I want something that I could use, to kill some time. And I said, let me try this game, which is called Gun Gang. And it looked interesting because it looked like something you could do while you're waiting for something, if you're waiting in line for something. So I'm going to launch it so you can see what I mean, how crappy this game is. First of all, I'm launching it here, and it says on top here that Singa is they're the company that produces the game. So I'm thinking to myself, I think they created Farmville and a few other things. So I'm going by the name, and I'm thinking, let me try this out, whatever. But I try it out, and I'm gonna just like show you. So as you can see, it's kind of like a shooting game. You shoot around, and if you look at it, the game it looks really fun, right? I mean, it looks like it's something that you could play that looks promising, right? Well, it's not promising when you have to deal with the ads. Now, again, I'm only going to run you through it for a little bit because I actually played this game quite a bit earlier, and I was so disappointed with the game and all the ads. There were so many ads here. I mean, it's literally if you make a mistake. Look, I'm looking here. I just passed the game, and now I have an ad, right? And these ads are not they're not your typical, ad that you're dealing with. These ads are basically 25 seconds, 30 seconds. So they're not fun when you think about it, and it's very hard because you can't just exit them. You have to either click on something. I'm waiting still 9 seconds, as you can see. And if they're advertising these other games, I assume they probably are the publishers of these games or they create them or whatever. So they're probably crappy games themselves too, which is also it makes you think why would I want to install this game if the other game is crap. So now I can finally start playing again, as you can see. And all I did was basically continue the mission. Like literally, I was able to pass the mission, and that's all that I did. So I'm gonna show you here. So we're gonna see if I can get this guy here. Again, it looks very interesting, but see right here, I made a mistake. I press down here, and see right there is an ad right away. It literally makes you go through an ad and another ad, and it just it makes for a very crappy video game play because you're just not. Yes, I'm looking for a game to waste time, but you're just not. This is not how it should be. You shouldn't be so greedy as a publisher or whatever, a developer, that you need to make so much money on these games that you have to put so many ads on there in order for me to play the game, and so that's something that I'm very disappointed with them as a publisher. I really hope that they work on cutting down on the ads. It just seems like they just care about money at this point. And I understand, they're a company, they're profit, they need to make money, whatever. But still, it makes no sense. They're literally pushing games on you so that you can play, and so you can click on it or whatever. And then I failed the game, so I'm gonna continue playing. I'm gonna try it again, as you can see. But now I can, I can literally try to finish it here, but it's not looking that promising when you think about it because it's just if I don't do it correctly, I lose. So there you go, I'm losing now. As you can see, another ad right here. And it just goes on and on and on and on, people. This company, like I said, Singa is the one who publishes the game. Don't download this game. It is a failure. I'm going to delete it right now. I'm actually going to delete it in front of you guys because I cannot play this game anymore. That's how bad I think this game is, you know. It's right here. I am uninstalling it. I wish I could give it a negative review so that maybe these people who run this company, whatever, they actually do something about it and don't, don't publish games like this, because if you're gonna publish a game like this with so many ads, it's just not worth it at the end of the day. But anyway, signing off. This is Elias with ehtutorials. Make sure to leave a comment on this video. Make sure to share with your friends. And if you played this game before, you know what I mean. Take care, people.